niggas counting me out and try to blame me for my blessings, so I gotta kick in they door. I remember all the times I was there broke and it felt like I was poor. I remember all the times I was down bad and never slept on the floor. I remember all the times when I wouldn't last, but now
today's video, I'm gonna show y'all just daily life of a V8 when it snow outside. And when the car is sliding and you gotta figure out and maneuver that jump. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show y'all all that. Look back, you might get hit. Keep on, keep going. Man, well, maybe I should invest in some new tires, right? Look at that. Running rubber out here? There you go. Dad tires. Bruh. I probably never should have showed the intake. My mechanic here is lying again. He's just trying to make me spend all this money. Telling me to go buy this, go buy that. I think you're tightening it. Yeah, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah. This is on another lesson of don't go to the hood mechanics, because you see what they be doing, bro? It's currently cold. I done slid. It's pretty bad. Pretty bad. Maybe if you guys subscribe, we can get some better tires, because it's looking real bad out here. Look at that.
This one's the one that's spinning. This one's spinning. Throw a little bit. Hold on. We going. It's under it indefinitely. I can tell you that. Now go, gun it. Okay. Hold on, no. Okay. Stop. Wow. This is crazy. This not even a I am gassing it. It's the other side. It's crazy. Okay.
It's straight ice.
Now I start to reminisce about the moment, and I'm starting to think like, maybe I probably absolutely shouldn't have never said that, but it is what it is, so I have to tolerate it.
Just in case.
Arrive at your destination.
They don't even
Arrived.
They might be. I just. Oh, they there? Oh yeah, they there. Damn. Well, let's see how this emission shit goes.
Nigga, that a fucking Hellcat or what? It's a Charlie, I know that for sure.
And once again, we fucking cooked. And I got work in like 3-4 hours, bro. It's not as bad. It's real quiet outside too. I really hate to be that guy early in the morning. But we got work. So we gonna see if we can get out of here. Let's see. The only thing I don't want to do is I just don't want to be sliding. You know, this is the worst time to be sliding in that snow. And I think it's starting again. Wow. No shame. Still got ice on my mats from the last time. And mine this was from like a day or two ago. So there's that. Alright, let's try and get this snow off. Wow. Okay. Wow. Another main problem is that back window. It's like 4 or something in the morning, bro. Yeah. We about to clear that jump.
What is that?
I don't care, bro. No brush action. And I'm trying to get to work, so. Got the car cleaned up a little bit. I like the door. the car heated up too. Good. Yeah, we're not good at this. This street looks cooked. I can see it. And I'm not trying to get stuck. Gotta be to work at 5, 4:40. Not trying to do that. Yeah. Let me just show y'all. Ooh, look, we sliding. That's what I'm nervous about, this hill. Usually that hill be a problem, bruh. Alright, the main road looking good. Yeah, you got the plow man. Alright, cool. I ain't gonna be on the phone too long, man. You know, I gotta drive. I got the wolf box connected, so and somebody hit the little light post over there. Look, it's telling you to walk and it's on the ground. It's crazy. But yeah, we good. I ain't going back no further. Man, I'm just good up here. Got my dogs all in the snow. The car. We made it.
Holy Jesus. What is that?
Chris, you ain't gonna believe this shit, dog.
What happened, bro?
My nigga, I went to the mailbox, got my mail, see a fucking letter from the HOA. Somebody snitched, dog. Somebody already called it in.
Bro, what?
Oh shit, my nigga. Yes, nigga. Somebody literally called it in about the ice and the fact that you was making noise, trying to get out the ice.
Bro.
Said, we're going to fine you for the reckless activity and danger to the public. They said we were doing suspicious activity and crazy noise. But here's the thing, though. 9, 10 o'clock is when you're supposed to quiet everything down.
Yeah, no, they definitely tweaking,
5,
bro.
6 o'clock. And these niggas tweaking.
Yeah, nah, they tweaking out. But they gonna do when I get them long 2 headers, bro.
In the title, I'ma bring home. Tryna be the best I can be. Heavyweight champion, the world I see. They ain't really believing me. Champion, the world, bitch,
All these
that's me.
niggas on the title, they like Trey.